Hello students, welcome to Nelson's Primary School. Students, today we are going to learn in the subject of computer. In this subject we will learn social networking in lesson number 11. Let's start with introduction. Social networks or social relations are the web-based services which allows the people to create their public profile and a list of people to whom they want to interact with over the internet. Being the part of a social network service, we can share our ideas, events, activities, images, etc. with the people who are a part of our group. There are some special types of social network services which help us to reach a specific type of people or connection who share common interests with us. So let us learn more about this service and how to choose and use these services. Social network service providers. As we know, social networking is a web-based internet service. There are some special websites which provides this service to its users. To use this service, you need to register yourself with the service providers, and once registered, you can connect with the others who are a part of that network. Some of the popular social networking service providers are. Apart from these, there are many other service providers like Tumblr, Instagram, Flickr, MeetMe, Classmates, etc., which provide these services to the users. Features of social networking. The common features of social networking websites are as follows. 1. Profile page. It allows you to create your personal profile page which acts as home page with a personalized look and feel. You can include your general information on your profile page like your name, location, education, etc. Number 2. Connecting to the people you know. The purpose of this network is to connect with others. So, these services facilitate the users to find and connect to their known people by sending an invitation to join them in their personal network. Number 3. Privacy. Most of the social networking sites allow the access to available information about a person based on their status as one of your connection. If you accept someone as your friend, then the one who is in your friend list can access more information about you than those who are not. Number 4. Messaging. You can communicate with your connections either by sending private messages or by writing on their wall in the form of public messages. A site like LinkedIn provides person to person messaging. Number 5. Sharing objects and information. These social network services allow their users to share their photos, videos, etc. among their connections. Social network services. There are many popular social networking services, out of which few are being used worldwide while others are popular in the specific areas. We will discuss here some of the worldwide popular social networking services. Facebook. Facebook is one of the top most social networking services launched in February 2004. Founded by Mark Zuckerberg with his college roommates initially for the usage of Harvard University students, but was later opened for the common public in 2006. Today, it has over 1 billion active users with an estimated 900 crore unique monthly visitors. To make use of the Facebook services, you are required to register with the site, after which you can create your profile page. Once created, you can add other users as friends and can exchange messages with each other. You can also join some common groups of the people of your interest and can categorize your friend list as relatives, close friends, people from work, etc. Twitter. Twitter is the second most used social networking site, which allows its users to send or read messages of up to 140 characters known as tweets. This service was founded in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey and was launched in July 2006. The service gained quick popularity and today it has over 500 million active users, generating over 340 million tweets on a daily basis. While creating their tweets, users can also create links to other contents. It is mainly used by celebrities, journalists, politicians, and other public figures to communicate their messages to the followers. Companies and organizations have also used it effectively to engage with their potential customers, offering promotions and other special services. Working of Twitter is somewhat different from Facebook, as in these the profiles are generally public, that is, anyone can see what you write unless you make private profile. On Twitter, following someone does not mean accepting him as a friend. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another social networking website, but it is mainly used by the professional for developing their professional network. The service was founded in December 2002 by Reid Hoffman along with the other members and launched it in May 2003. Today, it has more than 175 million active users with 255 crore unique monthly visitors. This site allows the registered users to maintain a list of contact details with whom they have some level of relationship called connections. Being a user, you can invite anyone irrespective of the LinkedIn user to become a connection. But if your invitations are getting rejected most of the times, then your account on the LinkedIn can be restricted. Google Plus. Google Plus is a social networking and identity service that is owned and operated by Google Inc. The service was launched on June 28, 2011. Today, it has a user base of more than 550 million with an estimated 120 crore unique monthly visitors. A Google Plus user profile is a publicly visible account attached with many other Google properties. It includes basic social networking elements like profile photo, about section, previous work, school history, interests, places, etc., along with the area to post status updates. Circles is the core feature of Google Plus as it enables the users to organize people into groups or lists for sharing. Once a circle is created, Google Plus user can share specific private contents to only that circle while option to share with public or everyone is always available. Advantages and disadvantages of social networking. Social networking has grown to a level where it has become a part of our day to day life. Just like other services on the internet, social networking also has its own advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Some of the major advantages of social networking are: number one, cost effective. Social networking websites provide free of cost services to their users. So it is one of the most cost effective methods to reach people in your network. Especially for the business purposes, it is a very effective service for connecting personally with the potential customers without any additional cost. Number two, useful connections. These sites provide the facility to connect with the people who are into the friend list or your connections, which help you to expand your social circle. Number three, building credibility. It can help the business communication communities to build their credibility among their customers by connecting with them personally and professionally, which can help in a way to make them loyal towards the company or the brand. Disadvantages. Some of the disadvantages of social networking are: number one, time consuming. Joining a social network can be time consuming for the new user, which can lead to the wastage of their useful time, especially when it is not a kind of thing meant for them. Number two, lack of anonymity. When you join a social network, you need to share your personal information like your name, location, age, gender, and many other things which you may not like the others to know. Number three, scams and harassment. Your details, either personal or business, being available online exposes you to the risk of online scams, cases of harassment, cyber stalking, and identified theft, as there are chances for the failure of security, even though many sites apply certain measures to keep all these under control. Now, with this, we understand that everything has its own pros and cons. So, using this service carefully can help you to get the maximum benefits without any failure. Using Facebook. Facebook, being one of the most used social networking website, allows you to keep in touch with your friends, relatives, or so many other people. You know, you can write on your friend's wall, share information, upload and view photos and videos, etc. Create an account. Let us learn how to use Facebook. First, go to www.facebook.com and under the heading Create an Account of its homepage. Enter your name, email address, give a password, your date of birth and gender. Now click create an account button. You are now ready to use Facebook and search friends. First of all, create your profile. A detailed profile makes it easier for you to find people and for people to find you. Once you sign up, you will need to confirm your email address or phone number. Facebook will send you either an email or text message to help you confirm your account. Click Confirm Now button. Setting up your profile. The first thing you should do after creating an account is to click on Find Friends button. To find the people you want to add in your friend list and send them a friend request by clicking on Add Friend option. Once you have added all the friends, you can scroll through their new posts, uploaded images, videos, etc. by selecting them from the friend list. Next, you should upload your profile picture. You can upload a stored photo using Add Picture button, or you can use webcam to click and upload your picture using Take a Photo link. This will allow others to quickly see who you are, making conversation between friends and family easier. If you want to share anything with your friends, then type it in the status box showing what's on your mind and click Post button. The status updated will post on your wall and will show up in your friends' news feeds. If you like some post of your friend and you want to share it with your friend list, then under the post click share option and click share button to post it on your wall. If you want to give some comments on your friend's post, click the comment option under the post and enter the comments. If you want to upload a photo or video to share it with your friend list, click photo or video option just above the what's on your mind box and select the photo or video from your system that you want to upload by clicking Open button in the File Upload dialog box. You can also upload using your webcam or mobile device. To close your Facebook account, click the button on the extreme top right of the Facebook window and click Logout option in the menu. Tips for using Facebook safely. Being a Facebook user, it always advisable to follow safety tips for an enjoyable and safe experience on Facebook. The safety tips are: number 1, do not make your personal information like your residential address, phone number, cell phone number, etc. public, as it can lead to your identity theft. Number 2, make sure that the photos have been uploaded with proper privacy settings, as they can be misused for commercial purposes. Number 3, do not accept all friend requests, as there are many fake users who can send you a friend request to gain access to your account online. Number 4, be very careful while posting something on your wall, as it is prominently placed on your site as well as to your family and friends update. Number 5, do not keep your computer on with your Facebook account opened, as it can be misused Be sure to log out. Students, I hope you have understood this lesson. Please take a time to revise previous chapters as well as take your time to practice this one. Thank you. Have a nice day.